Everything around you is a simulation. But don't be scared yet, because it is possible not only to get out of this simulation, but you can also take advantage of it to fulfill your desires. Those who know and accept this truth have given us techniques to elevate ourselves and see our reality differently, thus managing not only to understand our environment, but also to change it from its roots. And this power is also within your reach. Ready to break with the panorama that surrounds you? Use the power of your visualization and anything will be possible. Stay until the end of this video to find out how. The theory of simulation has kept our humanity in suspense since the moment it was discovered. The idea is simple. What we consider our reality could be nothing more than an advanced simulation, created by a civilization much more technologically advanced than ours. This simulation has been created to perfection, to the point that we cannot distinguish it from reality. And although it seems like a theory taken from science fiction, the reality is that if we ask science and philosophy, we can find many solid bases that support it. Philosophers such as Nick Bostrom, for example, have presented formal arguments supporting the possibility that we live in a simulation. Even Elon Musk, the well-known entrepreneur and CEO of SpaceX and Tesla, has expressed his opinion that the chances of us living in a base reality are low. This hypothesis challenges us to think big about the nature of existence and what it means to be conscious. And it may seem scary, but in reality, when you discover this truth, a large number of doors open before you. But there is something that this simulation cannot hide or disguise, and that is our ability to imagine and visualize, being the tools to shape this simulation to our liking. Becoming architects of our destiny. Neville Goddard, an influential 20th century metaphysical thinker, took this notion to new levels with his teaching that we can reshape our lives through the power of imagination and the law of assumption. According to Goddard, imagination is not just a tool to escape reality or create works of art. It is a powerful force that can transform our existence. He believed that what we imagine with conviction, we bring into existence in our physical world. This idea resonates with the notion of as above, so below, suggesting that our internal thoughts and beliefs are reflected in the external world. The law of assumption, another key concept of Goddard, holds that if we assume the feeling of our wish fulfilled and live and act on that assumption, then it will manifest in our reality. For example, if we assume that we are good communicators, we are likely to act in ways that reinforce that belief. We will engage in conversations, seek out public speaking opportunities, and express ourselves with confidence. As a result, our communication skills will improve, and that initial assumption will become a tangible reality. But this does not only consist of pretending something that we are not, it requires active awareness and participation in the process of creating our life. Not as mere spectators, but as active participants. Goddard emphasized the importance of consciousness, arguing that it is the basis of everything we experience. Our reality as we know it is a manifestation of our internal states. Therefore, if we change our perception and our beliefs, we can change our reality. This puts incredible power in our hands, but also a great responsibility on our shoulders. The practice of these teachings involves deep inner work. It requires us to examine our underlying beliefs, which are often rooted in past experiences and perceptions of the world. By adjusting these beliefs and aligning them with our truest desires, we can begin to see changes in our reality. Goddard's vision is an invitation to explore the unlimited potential of our mind and spirit. It encourages us to dream big and believe in the possibility of those dreams. But here the question arises, how do we distinguish visualization from daydreaming? To know this, we must first explore how this simulation works, and the first rule we must learn is that the past is not real within it. Our reality is a construction of our current perceptions and experiences. And the past, although influential, is not a tangible entity that can directly affect us in the present. The implication of this idea is that by reacting emotionally to past events, we are allowing those events to dictate our present experiences. This can lead to a cycle of negativity, where past emotions continue to influence our current mood and decisions, potentially attracting more negative experiences. On the other hand, focusing on the desire fulfilled through the law of assumption means directing our attention and energy towards what we want to achieve or experience. In this way, we can influence our visible reality in a positive way. It should be clarified that this does not mean ignoring or suppressing negative emotions, but rather recognizing them and then consciously choosing to focus on thoughts and actions that reflect what we want in our lives. This philosophy aligns with several wellness and personal development practices, such as mindfulness and visualization, that promote awareness of the present moment and the intentional creation of the desired reality. With this mindset on our part, we can foster a cycle of positivity, where positive emotions and experiences generate more of the same, helping to build a more satisfying and enriching reality. And the best time to harness this power in this cycle is right before bed. In this relaxed and receptive state, which you find yourself in before you close your eyes at the end of the day, your thoughts and emotions have the potential to germinate and grow into the reality you desire. It's like sowing seeds of desires and aspirations in the garden of your mind, ready to bloom into tomorrow. Therefore, the best thing you can do is use this precious time before sleep to visualize and feel that everything is working perfectly in your life. Close your eyes and immerse yourself in a state of calm and serenity. Then imagine in detail your dreams and goals as if they had already come true. Feel the excitement and joy of living that ideal reality. This simple but powerful practice can influence your external reality in surprising ways. You program your mind so that what you have manifested can flourish in your everyday life. It is important to remember that this practice does not guarantee instant or magical results. However, by incorporating it into your nighttime routine consistently, you can begin to notice gradual positive changes in your life over time. And although this visualization is extremely powerful, it is only one of the ways we have to shape reality and escape this reality. Affirmations are another effective technique that can complement this process and are about repeating positive and affirming statements about yourself and your desired life. For example, you can tell yourself, "I am worthy of love and success," or "I attract abundance in all areas of my life." Repeating these affirmations regularly can help you reprogram your subconscious mind and attract more positivity and opportunities into your life. Another interesting method that we can use just before going to sleep is the so-called lullaby method, which involves repeating an affirmation or mantra in a rhythmic and calming way, similar to a lullaby. This helps calm the conscious mind and open space for positive affirmations to penetrate your subconscious mind in a deeper and more effective way. Finally, influencing the subconscious mind involves regularly exposing yourself to positive and constructive information, whether through books, audios, videos, or inspiring people. If you decide to nourish your subconscious mind with positive thoughts and beliefs, you are creating an internal environment conducive to the growth and manifestation of your desires. You manage to awaken to your true purpose. This simulation no longer dominates you. Now you are the one who dominates reality. With these ideas and knowledge, Neville Goddard invited us to consider this connection as more than a simple theory. He saw this as a fundamental truth that could transform the way we live our lives. Goddard believed that by awakening to our divine purpose, we could begin to live with clearer intention, thus contributing to the development of a reality that is not only more loving, but also more expansive. This means recognizing that every thought, every action, and every moment of our existence has an impact on the fabric of reality. Living with intention is living with awareness that our choices and actions are powerful. It is choosing love over fear, expansion over restriction. It is looking for ways to contribute to the well-being of others and the development of our communities. And it is, above all, recognizing that our imagination is a powerful tool for creating our reality. This awakening to our true purpose is not always an easy process. We cannot escape it. It requires of us a willingness to look within ourselves, to question our limiting beliefs, and to be willing to change. But the result of this awakening is a life lived fully, with a sense of connection and purpose that uplifts and inspires us and those around us. Don't be afraid to face this simulation. What you find behind it could change your life. What do you think about this topic? We read you in comments. If you made it this far, I want to thank you for watching the video. If you like this type of content, don't hesitate to support the channel with your like and subscription. I also invite you to take a look at our other videos. I'm sure that more than one will be to your liking. Thank you very much for watching the video, and we'll see you next time.